Okay, for this first one, we've got to get common denominator, so I'm going to multiply the first one by 5 over 5 and the second one by 3 over 3. And we get 5x over 15 plus 3x over 15 equals 12. Combine those, you get 8x over 15 equals 12. Multiply both sides by 12 to get rid of the denominator of 15, and you get 8x is equal to 180. Divide by 8, and you get that x is equal to 22 and a half. Over here, we have x minus 2 over negative 2 equals 4x minus 3 over 4. I liked cross-multiplying here. We have a proportion, right? A fraction equaling another fraction, so we can cross-multiply. You just got to remember, when you multiply 2 by this, you got to multiply negative 2 by the whole thing. So it's really negative 2 times that, and then equals 4 times all of that. Okay, so you distribute the negative 2, and you get negative 8x plus 6. You distribute the 4, and you get 4x minus 8. I'm going to add 8x to both sides here, and I'm going to get 12x minus 8 equals 6. I'm going to add 8, and I'm going to get the 12x is equal to 14. Finally, divide by 12, and if you simplify this fraction, you get x is 7/6. Okay, this one, one common mistake I see is people try to cross-multiply these. That's not acceptable at all. It's not correct either. This isn't two fractions equal to each other. You only cross-multiply over an equal sign, so not here. We're going to get common denominators. So I need to multiply this one by x over x, but you got to remember that you're multiplying everything there by x. And over here we're going to multiply everything by 3 over 3, but again, remember, we're multiplying everything in the top. So we get x squared plus x over 3x plus 3x minus 3 over 3x. Now we're going to combine the numerators, x squared plus x. We get x squared plus 4x minus 3 over 3x. Now we're going to multiply both sides by 3x, and we're going to get x squared plus 4x minus 3 equals 6x. Subtract 6x from both sides. Let's set it equal to 0. That's usually the starting position for solving a quadratic equation. Now, I can't think of anything that's going to multiply to negative 3 and add the negative 10, so I'm going to use completing the square. I added 3 to both sides just to kind of get this ready to add something to make it a perfect square. Half of negative 10 is 5. Negative 5 squared is 25, so that's what I add to both sides. I get this. This is x minus 5 squared is equal to 28. Take the square root of both sides, remembering the positive and negative version here. So we get that x minus 5 is either equal to the positive square root of 28 or the negative square root of 28. And if we add 5 to both sides, we get x is equal to 5 plus or minus the square root of 28. And the square root of 28 can be simplified because it can be broken into the square root of 4 times the square root of 7, which is 2 times the square root of 7. So it's 5 plus or minus 2 times the square root of 7.